Have you ever wondered what the most stunning locations in Greece are? Greece, a country bathed in age-old history and garnished with the allure of Mediterranean charm, is a treasure trove of beauty and diversity. It's a land where the sun kisses whitewashed houses, where azure waves play with sandy shores, and where ancient ruins whisper tales of mythology and civilization. Yet beyond the famed beaches of Mykonos and the iconic ruins of Athens, Greece hides an array of lesser-known destinations, each a gem in its own right, waiting to be discovered. These hidden spots, untouched by the hustle and bustle of mainstream tourism, are the true heart of Greece, offering a glimpse into the country's authentic charm. With its vibrant palette of natural beauty and cultural richness, it's no surprise that Greece has become a favorite amongst the Instagram community, etching its mark in the world of travel. Stay tuned as we explore Greece's most Instagrammable spots, starting with some hidden gems you may not be familiar with. First up, we have Parga, a picturesque seaside village on Greece's mainland. Now, imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where the charm of old-world Greece is preserved in every cobblestone, every wave that laps against the shore. That's Parga for you. Nestled against the pristine Ionian Sea, this village is a burst of colors, with its houses painted in vibrant hues of ochre, pink, and blue. But the allure of Parga doesn't stop there. Above the village, a captivating Venetian castle stands guard, adding a layer of mystique to this enchanting place. The castle, with its storied past, offers a stunning contrast to the quaint, quiet life in the village below. Parga's unique blend of natural beauty, historic charm, and vibrant colors makes it a perfect Instagram backdrop. Every corner tells a story, every view is a potential masterpiece. Parga, a delightful surprise on Greece's mainland, is a must-visit for any travel enthusiast. Next, we take you to Monemvasia, a stunning medieval fortress town in the Peloponnese. Monemvasia is a treasure trove of historical charm, nestled on an imposing rock off the coast of Laconia. Time seems to stand still in this enchanting locale, with its beautifully preserved stone buildings and narrow cobblestone streets. Every corner of this fortress town is a testament to its rich history. From Byzantine churches to Frankish period structures, it's like walking through a living, breathing history book. But it's not just the architecture that will captivate you. Monemvasia offers breathtaking sea views that will leave you spellbound. The azure Aegean Sea contrasts strikingly with the rugged landscape, creating a spectacle that photographers dream about. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a photography lover, Monemvasia is a feast for the senses. The town's blend of history and natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination. Monemvasia, a place where history and natural beauty converge, offers an unforgettable Greek travel experience. Now we move on to one of Greece's most iconic destinations, Santorini. Imagine a place where the sun kisses the sea, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and red, like an artist's palette. Picture a landscape dotted with whitewashed buildings that contrast starkly against the cerulean blue of the Aegean Sea. Visualize a cascade of quaint houses, perched precariously on cliff edges, their cobalt blue domes reflecting the brilliant Greek sun. This is Santorini, a dreamlike island that seems to have sprung straight out of a postcard. Santorini is not just an island, it is a spectacle. Its unique topography, formed by a massive volcanic eruption in the Bronze Age, has resulted in a dramatic landscape that leaves visitors spellbound. The island's cliffside towns of Phaira and Oia are famed for their panoramic views of the sea, the volcano, and the neighboring islets. But the island's charm doesn't end with its stunning vistas. Santorini's architecture is equally enchanting. The iconic blue-domed churches of Oia, with their pristine white walls and vivid blue roofs, are a sight to behold. Equally captivating are the island's traditional cycladic houses, their stark white facades offset by colourful doors and windows, all arranged in a labyrinth of narrow, winding alleys that invite exploration. Santorini's sunsets are legendary. As the sun dips into the Aegean Sea, it bathes the island in a warm, golden glow, creating a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. The best spot to witness this mesmerizing event? The village of Oia, where crowds gather each evening to applaud the sunset, a tradition as old as time. Santorini's beauty has not gone unnoticed by the world. It's a favorite among Instagrammers, who flock to the island to capture its unparalleled beauty. With its stunning landscapes, iconic architecture, and breathtaking sunsets, Santorini is a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities for that perfect Instagram shot. Santorini, a postcard-perfect island, is a dream destination for every Instagram enthusiast. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to live, and most importantly, to remember. Because once you visit Santorini, you're bound to leave a piece of your heart behind. Finally, we arrive at Greece's capital and one of the world's oldest cities, Athens. A city that's a testament to the grandeur of the ancient world and a vibrant hub of contemporary culture. A city that combines the old and the new in a way that can only be described as majestically Athenian. Imagine standing at the foot of the Acropolis, an ancient citadel perched high above the city. Its marble columns, weathered by time, still stand tall, bearing witness to the city's rich history. The Parthenon, the most iconic of all Athenian landmarks, crowns the Acropolis. It's a sight to behold, especially at sunset when the warm, golden light bathes the ancient structure, making it glow against the backdrop of the gradually darkening sky. But Athens is not just about the past, it's a city that's very much alive in the present. The Plaka neighborhood is a perfect example of this. Nestled at the foot of the Acropolis, Plaka is the city's oldest residential district. Its narrow, winding streets are lined with neoclassical houses, vibrant cafes, and charming shops selling everything from handmade jewelry to traditional Greek products. The beauty of Athens is not just in its iconic landmarks, but also in its smaller, quieter corners. The city's streets are a photographer's dream, with their colorful graffiti, local markets, and hidden courtyards. Each turn, each corner, presents a new opportunity for a stunning photograph, a new story waiting to be told. And then there's the Athenian lifestyle, a blend of tradition and modernity that's uniquely Greek. Picture yourself savoring a cup of traditional Greek coffee at a sidewalk cafe, or enjoying a leisurely meal at a rooftop restaurant with views of the twinkling cityscape. In Athens, there's always something new to discover, always something beautiful to capture. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or a passionate photographer, Athens offers an abundance of Instagrammable moments. Athens, where ancient history meets modern vibrancy, is the ultimate Greek destination for your Instagram feed. So there you have it, from hidden gems like Parga and Monemvasia to iconic destinations like Santorini and Athens. Each of these places holds a unique charm that not only inspires wanderlust, but also makes for a picture-perfect Instagram feed. Let's recap. Parga, with its colourful houses scattered across a hillside, is the epitome of quaint village charm. Monemvasia, a castle town straight out of a fairy tale, offers a journey back in time. Santorini, famous for its sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and blue-domed churches, is a visual treat. And Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, blends the old and the new in a captivating way. These places are more than just eye candy. They're a testament to Greece's rich history, vibrant culture, and profound beauty. So why just see them through a screen? Pack your bags, charge your camera, and experience these stunning locations for yourself. Each of these stunning locations offers a unique slice of Greece, waiting to be captured and shared on your Instagram. Happy traveling! Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.